to the inner aspect of the right atrium. What do we find? We find two distinctly different parts. One, these are called as the musculi pectinity, and this part is the smooth part. So musculi pectinity forms what is known as the rough part of the right atrium, derived from the primitive atrium, developmentally from the primitive atrium. There is no primitive right atrium, there is only a primitive atrium. So it develops from the primitive atrium. This is connected or separated from the smooth part by a groove here on the outer aspect and a ridge on the inner aspect. The ridge is called as vista terminalis, and the groove on the outer surface is the sulcus terminalis. So this is the smooth part, derived from number one, the sinus venosus and the right horn of the sinus venosus. So it is two parts. One, the sinus venosus proper, that is the body of the sinus venosus, and number two, the right horn of the sinus venosus. Now here you get multiple openings. What are they? The first opening is from the right atrium to that of the right ventricle. This is the right AV opening. This one is the right AV opening. Okay, number one. Number two, we have already cut through the superior vena cava and the inferior vena cava. So inferior vena cava, superior vena cava, sir, both of them are basically opening inside the smooth part. The last part is the opening of the coronary sinus. So this is, as you can see, the coronary sinus from the posterior aspect or the outer aspect. So here there is an opening for the coronary sinus. You can see the small opening of the coronary sinus. Okay, this is the opening for the coronary sinus. You can actually understand here, right? It is coming. So this is the area for the coronary sinus. So these are the openings that are present here. The next thing that is present here is, we know if this is my right atrium, then this is the left atrium. This is the left atrium, separated by a septal wall. So this particular wall is the interatrial septal wall, and in this interatrial septal wall, as you can see right in the center of it, there is a part which actually dips, which is membranous, and the moment we tap it, see, it is going to that side. Right, sir? So this particular structure is my primitive fossa ovalis, right? So it is a limb. If you compress on this and then see there is a sickle-shaped margin of it. That is called as the limbus fossa ovalis. So limbus fossa ovalis is derived from the septum secundum. Which age of the septum secundum? The free margin of the septum secundum. It is the free margin of the septum secundum. And what is the valve of the fossa ovalis formed by? This membrane. This is the upper remnant of the septum primum. Use that word, remnant. It is not the entire septum primum because it has degenerated. Okay, so it is the remnant of the septum primum. Clear? Done? So limbus fossa. So these are basically the features on the smooth part of the right atrium. Now there is a region which is called as the tendon of the Todaro and the angle of Prock. Sir, we are not going into it. Naseeb pe chhod do. यहाँ पे तो उसे दिखा नहीं सकते, but I can tell you theoretically. Just said there is the opening of the IVC. There is the opening of the right AV opening. And behind is a coronary. So it is in here that you find the triangle of Koch. There lies your AV. There lies your AV node. There lies your AV node. And this is your interatrial septum. So here lies, just above it lies the SA node. Here lies your SA node. So that is the pacemaker going through the bundle of the Hughes into the AV and then getting sprayed through the Purkinje fibers into the rest of the ventricular wall. Okay, sir? Clear, sir?